Hey everyone, it's Susie. I am here to make an announcement that we are having a really fun collaboration. It's a battle of the Thredup Fun Boxes, and I am collaborating with Christine of Girlio and Cindy of Fun Surprises. We each have a Thredup Fun Box to unbox for you, each one from a different location. We will be posting our videos on Saturday, November 27th. And you get to vote on which one of us has the best box. We also will be having a giveaway on each one of our channels to win something special. So tune in, ring that bell, click on all notifications so you'll be alerted. You won't miss out on this. And we will see you Saturday, November 27th. Yeah, be there, and I'll see you there. Bye now.